Here are some amazing facts about fly. Species diversity. There are over 120,000 species of flies, making them one of the most diverse groups of insects. Order. Flies belong to the order Diptera, which means 2 wings. Lifespan. Houseflies live for about 28 days. Size. Fly sizes range from the tiny biting midges at 1 mm to the large robber flies up to 7 cm. Eyes. Flies have compound eyes with thousands of lenses, allowing them to detect movement from all directions. Wing speed. A housefly's wings beat about 200 times per second. Taste buds. Flies taste with their feet. Larval stage. Most flies go through a larval stage, commonly known as maggots. Pupation. Fly larvae turn into adults through a pupation stage in a cocoon. Egg laying. Female flies can lay up to 500 eggs in their lifetime. Food. Flies primarily feed on liquids as they lack chewing mouth parts. Digestive enzymes. Flies regurgitate digestive enzymes onto solid food to dissolve it. Pollinators. Some flies, like hoverflies, are important pollinators. Reproduction. Some species can reproduce within hours of reaching adulthood. Speed. Flies can fly at speeds of up to 5 miles per hour. Nectar. Many flies feed on nectar and help pollinate flowers. Blood feeders. Some flies, like mosquitoes, feed on blood. Parasites. Some fly larvae are parasitic, living off the bodies of other insects or animals. Bioluminescence. Certain fly larvae, like the glowworms, can produce light. Disease vectors. Flies can transmit diseases like malaria, dengue, and typhoid. Antennal sensitivity. Flies have highly sensitive antennae for detecting smells. Mimicry. Some flies mimic bees or wasps for protection. Diverse habitats. Flies can be found in nearly all habitats, including deserts and the Arctic. Adaptability. Flies can adapt to extreme environments, from urban areas to wild forests. Evolution. Flies have been around for over 200 million years. Parental care. Some fly species exhibit parental care, protecting their larvae. Predators. Many animals, including birds and spiders, prey on flies. Flight mechanics. Flies have a unique flight mechanism involving halters for balance. Insect vision. Flies can see a wider spectrum of light, including ultraviolet. Food recycling. Flies play a crucial role in decomposing organic matter. Diurnal activity. Most flies are active during the day. Sound production. Some flies produce sounds through wing vibrations. Symbiosis. Certain flies have symbiotic relationships with plants and animals. Parasitic defense. Some flies have developed defenses against parasitic wasps. Predatory flies. Species like robber flies are known for preying on other insects. Larval development. Fly larvae can develop rapidly, some within 24 hours. Economic impact. Flies can affect agriculture by damaging crops. Medical uses. Maggots are used in medical treatments for cleaning wounds. Oviposition sites. Flies are particular about where they lay their eggs, often choosing decaying matter. Thermal regulation. Flies can regulate their body temperature to some extent. Chemical communication. Flies use pheromones for communication. Vision speed. Flies can process visual information much faster than humans. Survival skills. Flies can survive harsh conditions by entering diapause. Metamorphosis. Flies undergo complete metamorphosis with distinct larval, pupal, and adult stages. Genetic studies. The fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster, is a key model organism in genetics. Flight patterns. Flies can hover, dart, and perform acrobatic maneuvers. Sense of smell. Flies have an excellent sense of smell, detecting odors from a distance. Color vision. Flies can see colors and are attracted to certain wavelengths of light. Nocturnal flies. Some species are active at night, like the sand fly. Antimicrobial properties. Some fly larvae secrete antimicrobial substances. Feeding habits. Flies can feed on a wide range of organic materials. Larval habitat. Fly larvae can live in diverse environments, from water to soil. Pest control. Certain flies are used in biological control to manage pest populations. Licking mouthparts. Flies have sponging mouthparts adapted for lapping up liquids. Flight muscles. Flies have powerful flight muscles allowing rapid wing movement. Temperature preference. Flies prefer warm temperatures for activity and reproduction. Migration. Some fly species undertake long migrations. Host specificity. Some parasitic flies are host specific, targeting only certain species. Endurance. Flies can endure long periods without food or water. Estivation. In hot climates, some flies enter a state of dormancy known as estivation. Communication. Flies communicate through body language and pheromones. Structural colors. Some flies exhibit iridescent colors due to structural coloration. Predator avoidance. Flies have quick reflexes to escape predators.